Imagine starring in a music video featuring you. Just like this.
Under velvet skies tonight, you sway with me, hand in hand. Stars are painting us in gold. Dreams are something we both planned.
So let me show you exactly how to do that in a matter of minutes. Everything in this video was created by AI. The song, the music video, and my AI avatar. I use the tool Freebeat AI, and you can find the link in the description below if you'd like to follow along. I'm fascinated by this tool because it's probably one of the first full music video agents. So basically you can create full music video with using just one prompt. For example, make a video for this song and then add the song either from the music library, from the internet, from wherever you like, or you can create your own music. So first let me start with step-by-step process of how I created video in introduction. So I created my own music using also this tool. So let's upload it. So this is the Frank Sinatra-like song that you heard at the beginning. Let's upload that one. Here it is. And now we'll use one very cool thing. We can of course make a video just based on that, but we would like to include ourselves into the video. So our own face or someone else's face. So here then you can click on character and then add up to 2 characters. I will add myself. And also I can add other predefined characters from Joker to Neon Diva, Hip Hop, everything is there. But I will add my own. So upload, and here is my image. Looks pretty good. Let's confirm that. Then let's choose which part of the song we would like to create a video for, or we can create a video for the whole song. It doesn't matter, but I will use, let's start with the beginning, and then let's create a 40-second video from one prompt. Let's hear the song.
Under velvet skies tonight,
yes,
you sway with me.
Great vibe. So we will create music video from beginning to the 40-second. Now we can just write make a video for this song, or we can tweak the video per our own desire. So for example, I have this prompt, 40-second 1950s Frank Sinatra-style music video with one stylish man in classic suit, many different things. Let's try with that. We can write whatever we want. And then we can also choose if we would like to follow along, or the agent will create everything automatically, merge the videos, find the mood of the songs, find the images, everything for the complete music video. And also we can choose the style, photorealistic, anime, cyberpunk. Let's just use auto and everything should be pretty good. Let's keep it private and create and continue. And now the agent starts working, analyzing music info, and everything will be done in a matter of couple of minutes, whole 40 seconds video. Pretty good. So you see it delving into the Sinatra swing, formulating musical sections, refining the segmentation, confirming final structure, structuring the musical narrative. I mean, this is extremely, extremely amazing. Now it is creating character Bible, so defining physical attributes, extracting key features, finalizing physical details for my own avatar and clone, key distinctions, then essential appearance, essential attributes, then retro video, reasoning process, scene transitions, visual narrative, visual aesthetics. Amazing. And this is it. Everything has been created. So let's look at the full 40-second video. I'm also looking at this for the first time. So Velvet Sky Club featuring my own AI avatar that was just created.
Under velvet
Nice.
Tonight, you sway with.
And look at the character consistency in every segment of the music video. That was all created automatically by me uploading just one simple image.
Me, hand in hand, stars are painting us in gold. Dreams are something
Wow.
we both plan.
Amazing.
La da da da. La da da da. Champagne bubbles kiss the air.
Yeah.
Laughter soft and spirits high.
This is great. I'm amazed. All of that in a matter of minutes with one image and one single prompt. Here, if you'd like, you can see whole creative process. So generating scene, scenario, images, scene transitions, all of the videos separately, everything is here, amazing, and then joined by the AI as the final video. So let's now also start from scratch, so from song. If I go click here on apps, you see there are many different things here for the video, for the music, but I can also create the full song from also one single prompt. So music generator. So for example, just this dreamy slowcore song, then I can choose the model, Suno, I will choose this one and create only 35 credits. So here is our slowcore dreamy song. Let's hear it. Nice. I like this one. I also created another one. Let's hear that one. Great. From one simple prompt. So let's download that. For example, I'll use this one. Let's download it. Let's go back to the music video agent. As mentioned, you can use any of the songs, of trendy songs, for example, from Spotify, from SoundCloud, from YouTube, wherever you want, or you can upload your own songs or generate your own songs. Pretty good. Once again, I will add music. Let's upload this slowcore song. Here is the song. Let's start from here, for example, and let's create a 30 seconds. I will just prompt make a music video based on this song. Create. I even made a typo here. Make a moody video based on this song. I think it will create a moody video. So here's our second music video, completely automatically made. This is, remember, this is Dream Pop Dreamy, so it's decided to... Nice. Pretty good for that kind of music. Yeah. And all of the transitions. And for example, this is the second version that I also created. Great. Look at the details. Oh yeah. Amazing. And the final catch. And if you're not satisfied with that, or if you would like to create a music or videos in different style, you have many creative agents. So music to video, ideas to full-length video, then apps, AI video generator, video effect, reimagine video, subject reference, whole editing studio for sound and for videos, everything is there. And you can try everything for free, which is great. Then very cheap and simple plan, you can also start creating videos. So pretty good subscription and a free plan to try out this amazing tool. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.